that Paulo Cruzada should stop promoting terrorism. Oh, just be remember that ISIS are terrorist organization. Do not promote ISIS, Paulo Cruzada. Do not recruit, who's it, Wawel Romero into ISIS. Wawel, she never joined ISIS because she said to me, Wawel told me that ISIS, they kill Christians, they kill Shia Muslims. Oh, Shias. Oh, do you know they're persecuting Shias and Christians, Paulo Cruzada, when you're praising ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq? Just be remember that ISIS is the enemy. Oh, do you remember the Syrian president who was a formerly ISIS? I was told by Jerick Silva. His name is Ahmad al-Shara, who was replaced Bashar al-Assad. Ahmad al-Shara was also a criminal. Unlike Bongbong Marcos, who's also a criminal because of tax evader in 1995, Ahmad al-Shara is convicted of killing civilians in Iraq. When he was in ISIS, he killed the Iraqi security forces. Oh, you remember that, Paulo Cruzada? You know Ahmad al-Shara? He never been killed by a Russian airstrike. Oh, he never been killed by Syrian Air Force airstrike. And now you praise ISIS and you say, what was Paulo Cruzada said? Ako ang ISIS ng bayan. You don't know what is that word ISIS, Paulo Cruzada. And then you saying about Islamic State. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I know you're a student of Teacher May Tiburcio, my arch enemy. If I say again, I'm just remind to my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio. Why do you not remind your former student, Paulo Cruzada, to stop promoting terrorism? Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, your friends from CDIFI, Sir Paulo Cuwa and Jens Manaid, they unfriended you in Facebook. Why? Because you're promoting terrorism. You're promoting ISIS. ISIS is the enemy of the Christian. ISIS is the enemy of Shias. Is this what you like, to praise a radical terrorist group? ISIS is the enemy of Al-Qaeda. ISIS is the enemy of Taliban. ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Islam or the Shias. ISIS is the enemy of across the world. Even Russia, Iran, and most of the Ba'athist Syria under by Bashar al-Assad, including Lebanon and Hezbollah. Remember that, Paulo Cruzada. Just like I remember. Do you remember in Palestine, in Gaza? When I talk to my Palestinian friends, Hamas police, they arrest ISIS cell in Gaza. What did they do? They arrest them. In Gaza, in Palestine. Now, those people who were ISIS sympathizers, they were arrested by Hamas police in Gaza, in Palestine. But here in Philippines, how many ISIS were killed during the time of Rodrigo Duterte? Thousands. How did the Philippine National Police under by Rodrigo Duterte they arrested all the ISIS cell in the Philippines who were using illegal drugs, who were member of Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. And then you praise the word ISIS. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, that ISIS is a terrorist organization. Just be reminder to everyone. You know, I was telling by the whole history was when I heard it from Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May, my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio. I move on from her. She said it in current events that ISIS is a terrorist group. They kill civilians, they kill people. If you imagine that ISIS, they kill people, they kill innocent lives. Just be remember, Paulo Cruzada, just be reminder to you that ISIS is a terrorist group. Just like I remember Stefan Pimentel, 2015, when Stefan said, I am ISIS. When Buddy Castro said, Buddy, have you heard that Stefan Pimentel had saying ISIS? And Buddy Castro says, you tell Teacher May, that Stefan Pimentel should stop mentioning ISIS, because it's the enemy of the Christian. It's an enemy of the Shia. And Teacher May, I told her that I say last 2015 that Stefan Pimentel should never say ISIS. And then Stefan say, be quiet. And Stefan was angry. And when I say to Stefan, and Teacher May said, Stefan, don't say about ISIS. Teacher May said, my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio. And I say to you, Teacher May Tiburcio, my arch enemy, I just criticize you. You should remind that Paulo Cruzada should stop promoting terrorism. Even the parents of Paulo Cruzada, Mr. Marion Cruzada and Mrs. Marion Cruzada, your son is promoting terrorism. ISIS is a terrorist group. Like me, I never comment about what happened there in the Bondi Beach in Australia. And then you say about ISIS? You see what happened there, Paulo Cruzada, in Australia. You see what happened there in the Bondi Beach. You see it. Don't you even know that ISIS is the enemy of the Shia Muslims and Christians? What is the word Islamic State? As I'm a Shia Islam, I am against terrorism. I am against the Sunni Wahhabist terrorism. You know what you see in the time in the Syrian Civil War, Paulo Cruzada, one of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps who were Quds Force, they were beheaded by ISIS. Are you happy? You're praising that the fucking ISIS, Paulo Cruzada? Do you see what happened there in the place, in the public? You know, aside of the ISIS, you see the Japanese citizen who was beheaded by ISIS, last 2014. Do you remember the one of the here in ISIS in the Philippines? One of the German hostage, the kababayan of Nanay Ningning, kababayan ni Nanay Ningning yon, yung German. He was beheaded by Abu Sayyaf, who were ISIS in the Philippines. And what they happened? The Jürgen Kartner, who is a German, who was beheaded by ISIS, that was a friend of Helmut Kallenborn. And you know that Paulo Cruzada, the one of the German hostage, was beheaded by ISIS. Oh, you don't know about that ISIS, Paulo Cruzada? And you're saying about, for example, during in Marawi siege, when we discuss with my arch enemy, Teacher May Tiburcio, the ISIS was defeated. Under time of Rodrigo Duterte. Rodrigo Duterte used a sniper rifle. He killed Itzilon Hapilon. He killed Omar Maute and Abdullah Maute brothers. The brothers of Maute. Even Amin Baku, who was Malaysian terrorist, who was a member of ISIS or something. You know, they were killed. They were killed by the time of Rodrigo Duterte. Just be a remind to you, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting terrorism. For what you have done to J. Rick Silva, you know, last year, I explained it to my mom, I explained it to Denzel Joshua, I explained it to Shania Kiana last year, in TikTok Live, even in Messenger, that ISIS is a terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. You do not promote terrorism. Just be remember, my friend Louis Texon. You know Louis Texon? Louis Texon is not promoting terrorism. According by Tita Lala. What about my friend Bill Galang? Bill Galang, Jens Manaid, they're not promoting terrorism. Even Yvette, Crystal Dulce Jurado, not promoting terrorism. You, Paulo Cruzada, don't idolize at ISIS. Just be remember. You know, John Mendoza make me a joke about ISIS in the Philippines. He jokes about Itzilon Hapilon, Omar Maute. During the time I was in classes with Teacher May, John Mendoza said so. Ako ang ISIS, John Mendoza said so. John Mendoza is making a joke. He's not making what is that? Seriously, he's making a joke. And John Mendoza says, ako ang Shia Muslim, I am a Shia, and he say he supported Iran, he's supporting against terrorism, he's fighting against terrorism, Iran that doesn't support terrorism, Iran is fighting against terrorism. Mostly they're fighting against Zionism, they are fighting against Wahhabism and Salafism. You know, John Mendoza idolizes Iran. He say he likes Hezbollah even Iranian Quds Force. Iran is fighting against terrorism. Because I know Iran is a Shia Muslim country. They are fighting against terrorism. John Mendoza says, if I say to you, Mr. Paulo Cruzada, that ISIS is a terrorism, is a Salafist. Their ideology anyway, their Salafism. That's why you remember the time that Mr. Dennis Gill said, the father of David Gill, terrorism is not a knowledge. I never said that before. Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, we are been high alert in Metro Manila. If I warn you to stop promoting terrorism, even your ally, Teacher Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, stop promoting terrorism, three of you. Even Jima Casandil, Do not promote terrorism. You know, Jim Macasandil, you're an uncle of Paula Nunez. Do not say about ISIS. Jim Macasandil, you're the uncle of Paula Nunez. Paula is a born-again Christian. You promote terrorism, Jim Macasandil. What will be happen if you're arrested by Philippine National Police? If you say, ako ang ISIS ng bayan, Allahu Akbar, you say that word, and you say you're an ISIS, if the Philippine National Police arrested you, Jim Macasandil, they will bring you in prison. Mostly there's lots of Filipino Shia Muslims are against terrorism. You see, the Catholics and Christians are against terrorism who are Filipinos. During the time of Rodrigo Duterte, they kill ISIS. They wipe out all the ISIS. They crush and destroy the ISIS in Marawi. Just like what he did. The same of the time of Bashar al-Assad, he defeated ISIS. Same as Vladimir Putin, he defeated ISIS in Syria. Even thanks to Ali Khamenei, he sent the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, or Iranian backed militias, mostly Hezbollahs, and Iraqi Popular Mobilization Forces, or the Special Forces of Iraq. They defeated ISIS. Thanks to Ali Khamenei. Just like what I said, Paulo Cruzada, when you watch a movie of Mosul, of Iraqi film, my dad watched Mosul, based in Arabic film. The Iraqi Popular Mobilization Forces of the Special Forces of Iraq, they killed ISIS. They used sniper shot, they kill ISIS. That's the reason, Paulo Cruzada. Do not promote terrorism. Even you, Jim Macasandil, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, do not promote ISIS in social media. Do not promote. I was told by Denzel Joshua, I was told by Jerick Silva, when I talked to them in TikTok Live, Messenger, nagkinuwento daw nila sa akin about what happened in last year, that Jim Macasandil and Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Sejo, they attacked Joseph Maspinas. They're saying about ISIS. ISIS are Salafist. At least 4 of you never attend the hearing of Sophia Ahmad Sultan. Among them is Jim Macasandil, the uncle of Paula. Even Paulo Cruzada, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jean Asejo, Asejo. They never attend the hearing because they were afraid to get in hearing. And Joseph Maspina said to me, may shoot to kill doon, may shoot to kill, And one of the Shia Muslim who was a lawyer is Sophia Ahmad Sultan. That was a classmate of Jerick Silva said, pag hindi sila umattend ng hearing, shoot to kill. So, whenever you say Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jim Macasandil, and Gina Sejo, please all of you, stop promoting terrorism, alright? Because it's really hideous, it's really offending to anybody when you promote terrorism.